What's up everyone, Mitesh here, and you know the Pixel phones, their greatest strength is the camera. But it's really not about the hardware of the camera, it's more about the software. And this being Android, you can actually get the software on other phones like my OnePlus 6T, which I have done through the gcam mod. So, I got to wondering, can you guys tell the difference between the gcam mod and the actual Pixel camera? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a whole bunch of images that I took with both of these phones, labeled them as phone A and phone B, and I want you to try to guess which phone took which picture. And so you guys can actually see if there is much of a difference between using the actual Pixel hardware with the Pixel software versus using the Pixel software with any old Android phone, pretty much, that will make a difference or not. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so there you guys go. Those are some of the pictures from both of these phones. So did you guys guess which phone was which? Alright, so to reveal the answer, the OnePlus 6T was phone A and the Pixel 3a was phone B. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys got it right or not. And let me know, do you guys actually find them to be more or less the same? Because that's how I found it. For normal pictures, they were more or less the same. For some of the specialized modes like night sight, I like the pictures better from the Pixel 3a camera, the official Pixel camera, because the colors just seemed more accurate. I'll show you guys the pictures again so you guys can see them, but definitely the colors are just a little bit more accurate with the Pixel 3a when it comes to night sight. Portrait mode, it was about dead even for both. Front-facing camera, I actually kind of like the OnePlus 6T better because it was a little bit sharper, but what you're getting out of the Pixel 3a is still really good. So yeah, there you guys have it. That is the difference between the official Pixel camera and the gcam used and running on the OnePlus 6T. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Like this one if you liked it, subscribe if you guys loved it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!